In front of me is Motorola RAZR 2025, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then tap on the icon of it at the top. Select Freeform and enjoy using your app in tiny window. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it as well. To minimize it, click on this icon of a line at the top left corner and then access it by clicking on the bubble. If you want to use it in full screen view, click on this icon right next to the line one, also at the top left corner. If you want to close it though, just click on this X at the top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!